afternoon, everyone. As we conclude this first semester of our grade 11 year, I can't help but feel a mix of emotions, relief and anticipation. This semester has been a whirlwind of challenges. I know it wasn't always sunshine and rainbows. There were those late-night studies that turned into all-nighters, and those mind-boggling exams that question our life choices. But hey, we survived. We've become experts of procrastination, the science of cramming, and the philosophy of winning. We've learned to navigate the treacherous waters of online classes, and we've mastered the art of zoning out when there's cameras on. Seriously though, let's take a moment to appreciate how far we've come. We've grown, we've learned, and we've probably gained a few extra pounds because of those stress eating. But that is just a part of our senior high school life. Now, to my fellow students, your hard work, passion, and determination are being acknowledged. Whether it was acing a difficult exam, participating actively in our class, or simply showing up every day, your efforts have not gone unnoticed. To our dedicated teachers, thank you for your guidance, wisdom, and unwavering support. Your impact extends far beyond the classroom. And especially to our advisor, thank you, Sir Justin. I know na nag-enjoy ka na mataas man mag-score. And as we move on to the second semester, let's keep our heads up and our spirits high. Let's continue to challenge ourselves, embrace our passions, and strive for excellence. But remember, it's not just about the grades or the achievements. It's about becoming the best versions of ourselves. Let's make the most of this opportunity to shape our future and leave a everlasting impact. Together, we can make this year one of the most memorable and fulfilling experiences of our lives. Again, congratulations, my fellow grade 11 students. Let's give ourselves a round of applause.